Hello everyone, this is Mike with the Stock and Options Room at ShadowTrader. I thought it might be beneficial to break down the Dixie today, the US dollar index, and tell you what I think is going on here. I'm seeing weakness. I'm seeing it shaping up for a down move, and I'm going to explain why here. First of all, many of us know that when we have a large move in any instrument, and then it goes sideways like this for a while, we can anticipate that the next move is going to be to the downside. Well, you can see that it tried to go down here, but couldn't get anywhere. So that was a failed breakdown, and we see now that it moved on up, and it came up into here. And so because this move is pretty steady, pretty long, and without any pullbacks, I'm very interested in what happened here. And when we get up above this line, and please keep in mind that this line running right through here is a major weekly line that runs right through the body of all of this price action here. So that's all very important to keep in mind. What I want to do now is zoom into a daily chart to tell you what I think the narrative is here. So here's our move up, and now we have this consolidation area right here. And that area is in size and range a whole lot bigger than this one over here. So after we came up here, spent this time auctioning back and forth, the market found itself happy doing business here for a bit, and we did all of this down here moving around. Then there was another attempt to take price higher, the US dollar higher, but look how it failed. It could not reach this level, and not only that, the range and time spent in this consolidation above this level was much smaller. So that gives us a hint that there's a weakening process going on here. And because of that, I have been very much a student of what's been going on down here. Now I need to clean that up. And so what I want to do now is zoom in. We have fallen back below. We tested it from underneath, if you can see that. We've tested it from underneath and then reestablished right here, this line right through here, this low volume zone, and it couldn't get above there. What was very interesting to me was how it came down and tested this trend line perfectly, and then it came and tested it again, and then it came and tested it a third time right there and bounced up. When I see three tests of a line like that close together, and an inability to go higher right there, I know that there's extremely high odds that we're going to see a breakdown that direction. So now I want to zoom in and look a little closer yet on a 4-hour scale. All of this is why I believe that we are seeing weakness in the dollar, and that larger scale range is going to be revisited at the lower end. So we came up and tried to back test the trend line there. And here is another area where in the ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room, we are attempting to short right here using the 6E to the long side. Now, I believe that this is a nice low-risk opportunity to see if we're going to get any movement. And again, I'm always guided by what's going on in the bigger picture. And so I go back out to the bigger picture and I remind myself, if this is rolling over, what is the possibilities for this swing trade? The possibilities are at least getting to here. And that's my humble opinion. I thought that would be interesting to point out because, like I said, it does affect a whole lot of what we do. The US dollar value is a big deal for obvious reasons. And so that's the way I see it, and hope you find that helpful. Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the moderators for the new ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room. Thank you for joining me for this video today. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe buttons below. You know, I'd like to invite you to join me in the new Stock and Options Room. We've got some good trades going, studying some great charts and learning some great stuff together. In general, there's a lot of great content there that I think you would benefit from. So until then, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.